everybody, welcome to my channel. This is D and today we are gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy M51 as directly purchased it from the Samsung shop. So let's begin the unboxing. This is the 8GB version. So as you can see, this is the box in which it comes. First, so as you can see, this is the main packaging. Let's get this off first. So this is the bill. Let's keep it out the side. So this is the main box. As you can see, nothing is mentioned on the side as well as the back. Here we have the branding of the Samsung, and here we can see the box contents. And on the top there is not much of information. This is the 8GB version. Let's open this up. Now let's open the box. So first of all, you find the phone, and here is the insert. Let's see what is it. This is the SIM ejector tool. And some gets paperwork, quick start the user manual. You don't get a case in this phone. Let's keep this aside. That is the phone. This is the celestial black version. Let's keep this aside for a time being. This is the USB-C to C cable. And a 25-watt power brick. This is also USB-C. These are the box contents. Let's put it off the side. This is the phone itself. Let's take out the phone. This is the celestial black version. Let's take out the sticker also. So as you can see, it has already started catching fingerprints. Let's boot it. Till it boots, let me give you the specifications of this device. This Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity OLED panel with Full HD resolution. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G CPU and comes with two RAM variants at 6GB and 8GB. The base storage is same at 128GB. Talking about the cameras, this phone has a quad camera setup at back with 64MP SONY IMX682 primary sensor, a 12MP ultrawide sensor, 5MP macro and a 5MP depth sensor. On the front, it has a 32MP selfie shooter. Moving toward the battery, it comes with a monstrous 7000 mAh cell with support up to 25-watt fast charging. It is running on latest version of Android, which is Android 10 with Samsung OneUI 2.1 on the top of it. So as you can see, device has booted. So let me set up this. I will be right back. Set up the device, and this is how it looks in the home screen. This is a typical Samsung M series look. This is the celestial black version, and it definitely looks a lot nicer to me than the electric blue version. I also have that electric blue version, and this looks better to my eyes. It is glossy and hence it catches a lot more fingerprints that are visible. So you should get a case on it. I will be posting a review for this device so be sure to subscribe. And also let me know about the video quality because this was shot on Samsung F41. I will also be posting the review for that device. So yeah, be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell. This was all for the unboxing. Meet you next time in the next video.